Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Amazon Alexa for smart home control, detailed guide step-by-step click. To use Amazon Alexa for smart home control, start by ensuring your Alexa device is powered on and connected to Wi-Fi. Download the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Open the app and sign in with your Amazon account. Tap on the device's icon at the bottom of the screen. Select the plus icon to add a new device. Choose the type of device you want to add, such as lights, switches, or thermostats. Follow the prompts to connect your smart home device to the app. Make sure the smart device is in pairing mode, often indicated by a blinking light. Once connected, give your device a name that you can easily remember. You can group multiple devices together in the app for easier control. After setup, try controlling your devices using voice commands. For example, say, "Alexa, turn on the living room lights." You can also create routines to automate actions. Tap on the Routines section in the app. Select Create Routine and specify a trigger, like a time or phrase. Choose the actions you want Alexa to perform when the routine is activated. Save your routine and test it out by saying the trigger phrase. Explore the Smart Home section in the app for more customization options. Check compatibility with other smart home brands for expanded control. You can also integrate services like IFT for advanced automation. Frequent updates to the Alexa app introduce new features. Keep it updated. Finally, familiarize yourself with the Alexa voice commands for better interaction. Now you can enjoy a more connected and convenient smart home experience with Amazon Alexa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.